أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه نستعين وهناك يا معين اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحابه الأخيار اللهم آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi, brothers and sisters. In Surah Al-Imran, Quran chapter 3 verse 135, Allah is saying that الَّذِينَ إِذَا فَعَلُوا فَاحِشَةً أَوْ ظَلَمُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ ذكروا الله فاستغفروا لذنوبهم ومن يغفر الذنوب إلا الله ولم يصروا على ما فعلوا وهم يعلمون. صدق الله العظيم. You see, as humans, brothers and sisters, we are created with imperfections. Matter of fact, we will keep on having our shortcomings. We will keep on doing wrong things. We weren't created to be perfect. But believing individuals, we have the opportunities of having our shortcomings to be overlooked. We have the opportunities of having our sins to be forgiven. So in this verse, Allah is saying that الَّذِينَ إِذَا فَعَلُوا فَاحِشَةً, those that when they have done something bad, when they have done something evil, أَوْ ظَلَمُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ, or they've wronged their own souls, they've done something that they shouldn't have done, said وَذَكَرُوا اللَّهَ, then they remember their Lord. Said فَاسْتَغْفَرُوا لِذُنُوبِهِمْ, and I will therefore forgive them. وَمَا يَغْفِرُ الذُّنُوبَ إِلَّا اللَّهِ, he said, who is that capable of forgiving sins? Who is capable of overlooking shortcomings except Allah? And then he added a condition. Now the condition is for we not to return back to those bad things, for we not to return back to those things. He said وَلَمْ يُصِرُّوا عَلَى مَا فَعَلُوا وَهُمْ يَعْلَمُونَ, and they do not return back to those things again because they have realized. Now, brothers and sisters, we want to keep on evaluating ourselves, asking for forgiveness as much as we can, the ones that we know, the ones that we do not. That's why we want to keep on asking for Allah's forgiveness. We want to keep on asking Him to overlook our shortcomings. We ask Him to accept all that we do and overlook our shortcomings. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.